Hey guys, welcome back. So this video should have went up about 2 days ago, and I promised you a giveaway, and it's here just a little bit late. And I promised that I was going to try my hardest to give you a giveaway every single month this year. So that's what I'm going to do. I decided to select a few items here that I was interested in and let you decide what items from the items I selected that you would like. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, I feel like I'm talking a little funny. I have not been drinking enough water this week. So when I woke up this morning, my tongue, I think, was so dry that my teeth indented the back of my tongue. So I feel like my tongue is like swollen, and that happens to me when I don't drink enough water. I'm really bad. One of these used to last me at least 3 days. Just one of these. I don't know if you've noticed, sometimes in my videos when I talk, there's a, and that's because my mouth is so dry that my mouth is sticking while I talk. It's really bad. I know. I'm going to share with you the items that I saw on here, and I try to get something in every category, like someone who wants to go out of the box and likes a lot of color, to something that's neutral, to something kind of in the middle, and then maybe something new. So if you want to know what items I'm selecting for you, then make sure you stick around. So of course, before I even talked about the items, you're already thinking, what do I need to do to enter? So I'm going to give you the first part. You need to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. This way you know whenever I post a video and you are notified. Now the last thing, you're going to have to stick around to the end of this video to find out. Sorry. Now to find out what I selected. So I thought this was a great palette, and it's the first item on the front page. This is the Born This Way the Natural Nudes palette from Too Faced. Now this palette was inspired by the Born This Way foundation shades. It's infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid, the same skin-loving ingredients that's in the iconic Born This Way foundation. It's highly pigmented, and it claims to have the one-swipe payoff, a creamy texture, and an easy-to-blend formula. Now this next item is only sold at Ulta, and this is the Revolution Beauty Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise eyeshadow palette. And I thought that was a beautiful eyeshadow palette right there for someone who wants the bold and the beautiful. No need to wait for your vacay. This palette will have you feeling exotic even when the skies are gray. Containing blazing mattes, sparkling glitters, and soft-to-touch creamy shimmers, it's a fiesta in a palette. This palette, for some reason, I want it. So maybe you do too. And that's the Bertman Rock Jungle Rock palette from Wet n Wild, and he's doing a collab, and I was like, you know what, I kind of want that palette. Experiment and express yourself with the jungle inspired shadow palette designed by Bertman Rock. The shadows can be used either wet or dry. It has intense payoff that never is chunky or patchy, and it blends seamlessly and glides on easily. Guys, the last palette that you can choose from is, this is going to be a good one. Drum roll, please. That's right, guys. Number 4 is the Bloodless palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Now, I know some of you have already placed your order for this palette, so that's why I have other options for you. Now, the last thing you have to do is just leave me a comment letting me know if you want palette number 1, 2, 3, or 4, and what your second option would have been. And also just go ahead and throw me a heart emoji, any color, any kind, in there as well. So make sure those 3 things are in there, and then you will be entered. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this giveaway, and good luck to you. As always guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes first. Have a blessed day.